Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome to another episode of How To with RAEART. Let's do an eyeball today. I see you doing it very fast with my technique. Let's slap it down super fast. First things first, guys, let's mix up. We got our red, we got our white. Let's get a little bit of pink going. Blend the two colors together. Splash, plow. So guys, here we go. Sloosh, slush, and a zing zang, zoom. Oh no, I got a little messed up because we didn't have enough water on our paint. Make sure you have water on your paint. Here we go again. Plus my paintbrush water is dirty. Oh no, doesn't matter. Here we go, guys. Up, a swoosh, boom. Let's put a little red eye in there. Wow, there you have it, folks. An eyeball, sam bam, thank you ma'am, a few lines and you are done. Like my hairdo, it's all gone. So there you have it, folks, an eyeball in less than 4 seconds. Flat or your money back. Don't forget to clean your water so that you don't run into the same problem as me with some splashy color. But we make it work. That's the whole point of the whole vision. And it doesn't just stop there, folks. You can do tons of things with eyes. Check out this painting here I did. Eyes everywhere, Captain. I see you. But look at that, you can have a lot of fun with eyes. All kinds of eyes. Every type of eyes, closed eyes, high eyes, low eyes, and big eyes. Give your eyes a practice. Wink, wink, said the eye. Eyes are the window to the soul. That's it, folks, for the eye lesson of the day. Hey guys, welcome back to another How To with RAEART. So yesterday we did a eyeball, and today we're going to funkify that eye. So let's get started. Man. So guys, I think what this painting needs is a funky monster-like creature. Let's do it. So today's palette we got our dark green and our light green. Also we are using a fatter brush for this. We're going to do the background. Let's start with a dark green. Let's leave an opening over top, like that. This might be another eyeball. An eyeball within an eyeball. We're gonna punctify this, like that. Just put it on nice and thick. Make sure your brush has lots of water on it, like that. Now if you don't have a lot of water, you'll notice that it kind of shows through on the canvas. So just dip it into the water or go over it a couple times. And go, don't touch any of the edges yet of the darker color you painted. And we're just going to fill this in to start. Now we're going to blend it into our dark green color along the edge there. See what I mean? This gives it a bit of blending technique. Just have fun with it, guys. Now what I want to do is add a funky mouth to this area right around here, and we're going to do it all in black, and I'll show you a little trick. So let that dry for a minute and then we'll come back. So guys, now that that is dry, I am going to add a Mars Black. This is the paint I use, the Liquitex Acrylic Soft Body Paints. Very good, very fluent paint. Okay, let's do it. Now let's make a funky face. Gonna go up, around, down. Just carry it up like that. See, I do the outline of that first. Now I'm gonna fill it all in. And I'll show you the next step to make it magical. How about we funkify these edges around the monster's face? So one technique you want to do to add some kind of texture is come on into the center kind of like this. So what we're doing here. Like that. Just gives it a little bit of body texture. Everyone's happy? Slap chop. Now what we can do is go ahead and outline this eyeball. Just give it some character. Nice thin line. Just follow the edges of your painted lines. There you go, you get a nice 3D effect. Okay, another thing we can do, let's add some funky whisker outlines. I'm starting with my brush on the edge and kind of turning it up to get another thinner line, as you can see here. And whoop, whip it out. Okay guys, next up to do the teeth, we're using a nice titanium white in the Liquitex soft body. Also, we're gonna add some detail around the edges of the face and stuff to make it pop a little bit more. Okay, let's go. We're gonna dip into the white here, kind of fan it off a little bit. And now let's add some fang. Bam. You get some fang looks like that. Gonna swoop your brush down as you see what I'm doing here. You got some nice monster fang. Or you could do up straight. That's how you do some teeth. Just do a crooked one here. There you have it, folks. Now let's go through and highlight a few areas using the white just to make it pop a little extra. Okay guys, I think that would be it. Well guys, there you have it. A little funkified monster face for you to practice at home. Stay tuned next time when I'm gonna funkify this just a little bit more. Maybe add some more color, you know, some nice little line details around. Who knows? Maybe throw in the ladder. Well guys, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna be doing a bunch more of these tutorial videos. Coming up next, I'll show you how to do whitewash on a painting to make it stand. I might do it on this one actually. We'll keep rolling with the tutorials. So guys, give it a try on your own. I'm sure you can do it. Just a little bit of patience, a lot of practice, and you will be a great painter too, just like me. Alright, signing off, this is RAEART.